Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making healthy and low calories cabbage omelette. 75 grams of cabbage, 1 egg, 1 egg white, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well. In a hot pan add half tablespoon of oil. Now brush the pan. Add egg. Cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, add tomatoes, add capsicum, add fresh coriander leaves. Now cover and cook for a minute again. After 1 minute, uncovered. Now it's done. Take out from the pan. Healthy and low calories cabbage omelette is ready to eat. Try it and tell me how it is. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.